Let's make a shower door. At Shower Door Experts, our sole focus is custom glass showers. With over 30 years experience, we know a thing or two about shower doors. We guarantee an installation process that is professional and timely. Send us the rough dimensions of your shower space and we'll give you a free quote for your project. Even better, visit our showroom in beautiful downtown Jefferson, Maryland. During consultation, we provide suggestions and recommendations for each customized shower door. Working together during the initial planning means no unhappy surprises later on. Your tile must be in place before we can finish a detailed site evaluation. Accurate measurement is our secret to a perfect shower door. After our experts make precise measurements, you'll get a sales agreement. That's a firm price with information on the shower enclosure, estimated lead time, price details, optional upgrades, and sales terms. We'll specify a deposit amount. Our contracts and payments are 100% digital for your convenience, or 100% analog if that's more your style. Once the glass panels and metal components of the enclosure have been manufactured to our specifications, they are carefully packed and shipped to our warehouse in Maryland. Our technicians will install your beautiful new shower door with courtesy and precision. Every detail is important. After they install the glass components, our installation experts will seal the enclosure and clean the area thoroughly. Then it's time to recheck everything to make sure you're 100% happy. We love it when you're happy. Once you are satisfied, we collect your remaining balance via credit card or check, as you prefer. This can be done 100% online for your convenience. A high-quality, professionally installed shower door can be a thing of beauty for many years to come. We always leave you with information about recommended maintenance procedures. And Shower Door Experts provides you a 1-year warranty on all products and labor. Shower Door Experts. Love your shower.